Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Amia. In this episode, we are going to look at one of AWS compute services, Elastic Beanstalk. AWS Elastic Beanstalk is an easy-to-use service for deploying and scaling web applications, developed with Java, .NET, PHP, Node.js, Python, Ruby, Go, and Docker on web servers such as Apache and Nginx. Normally when you deploy a web application, you need to provision an EC2 instance, install web server, and configure the environment for the application. Then you need to upload the application code to the instance. When you need to scale out for more EC2 instances, you need to repeat the same steps. You need to administer instances, load balancing, auto-scaling. However, as a software developer, especially in a small medium-sized development team, you just want to focus on building applications instead of running administration tasks. With Elastic Beanstalk, you can simply upload your code and Elastic Beanstalk automatically handles the deployment, capacity provisioning, load balancing, auto-scaling, and application health monitoring. At the same time, you retain full control over the underlying AWS resources. So basically Elastic Beanstalk is like a combo deal with a set of popular flavors of application environments at your disposal. Elastic Beanstalk is developer-friendly. It supports a variety of programming languages, platforms, and popular web servers. It allows you to deploy your code through AWS Management Console, Elastic Beanstalk CLI, as well as third-party IDEs like Visual Studio and Eclipse. Elastic Beanstalk offers a variety of deployment policies to deploy your application across your EC2 instances. You can deploy applications all at once, rolling with an additional batch, immutable, traffic splitting, and blue-green deployment. These deployment options enable you to choose between speed and safety of deploying applications while reducing the administrative burden. There is no additional charge to use Elastic Beanstalk. You only pay for the underlying resources to run your application. Elastic Beanstalk consists of two key components, application and environment. Application contains platforms information, such as Python, Node.js, Java, version information, and the application code you have uploaded. Environment contains the configuration of underlying resources, including instances, load balancers, scaling, security, networking, database, and deployment options. When you first create an application, you need to choose the platform and version. Then you need to upload your application code. You can do it from AWS Console or CLI. You can configure the underlying resources, such as EC2 instance type to run the application. It can take a few minutes to launch the environment. Once the environment has been launched, your application will be up and running. You can manage the environment for your application through Elastic Beanstalk Console anytime. Alternatively, you can access EC2 instance and Elastic Load Balancing directly. When you need to update the application, you can simply upload the new version of your code and deploy it to your Elastic Beanstalk environment. Your application will be updated directly once the new version has been deployed. In this episode, we've learned AWS Elastic Beanstalk. Elastic Beanstalk is the platform service that lets you deploy and run your application easily, by removing the resource administrative burden. Elastic Beanstalk supports multiple platforms for various programming languages, including Java, .NET, PHP, Node.js, Python, Ruby, Go, and Docker. You can create and deploy applications and launch the environment with a few clicks. Okay, that's all for Elastic Beanstalk. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode. Hope you've enjoyed watching this episode. If you liked the video, please help us and hit the like button. If you want to watch more tutorials, please subscribe to the Cloudemy TV channel. Make sure to turn on the notification and stay tuned. At Cloudemy, we're passionate about cloud and AI technology. Please share your feedback and thoughts in the comments below. Feel free to let us know what topics you'd like to watch. Happy watching and happy learning.